Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Love Coding. I am Tejaswini and today I am going to show you how to localize your Android application. That means your application will work on different languages as per your user requirement. So let's begin with the video. So first we'll create a new project. Let's give the name change language. Say next. I am keeping a 19 as my minimum SDK. Next, select the empty activity. You can choose any one. I'll keep this name as it is and click on finish. So this is our project change language. First we'll change the layout of this to project so that you will get a proper folder, proper layout of folders. So these are two files, main activity.java and activity main XML. This is our layout file. You will get the design saying hello world, a text view. And here are the folders. In main you will get a resource folder and in Java you will get Java files. So in values you will get strings file. This is very important for changing the language. See here, you have to create a variable, a string for every word in your application. So this is a text view, hello world. Here they have given a simple text. Here we will add a variable. First we will create a variable in strings.xml file. We'll copy this as it is and change the variable name. Let's say hello underscore world. And the variable value will be hello space world. Okay, we'll take one more button here just as example. So here I am taking a button. As this is a constant layout, so we will have to set this what we can say that for constant layout you have to set the constraints for top, right, left and bottom. So I have set here for button as parent and we'll change the name of this. Same as text view, we'll create a string for submit. Let's say submit to a button. This is submit and we'll give a value submit with capital S. Okay, so these strings are created and here we will specify those variables by stating at string. Here they will predict you the variable names. We'll select a hello world string and here we will set at string submit and save these. So these are variables created. Okay, now this we have set this for English language. Let's create a same string file for French. Let's make an application language friendly with English and French. So we will create a resource folder, one more resource folder for French language. Here you can create a new resource folder, Android resource directory, and you can specify a folder name with values FR for French. Keep the resource type as values and as it is. Say OK. So here the values French is created. We will copy this strings XML to values French. Okay. So here is one more string value but in French folder. So we will change the values here. So how to change the values to French? Copy this and here in new tab we'll type English to French translation. Here you can paste the change language and in French I don't know how it pronounced. You will get this value. Copy this and paste in your strings.xml for your French folder. Okay, so same as for a hello world and submit, we'll do this. Okay, copy this and paste here. For hello world in French, they called this. We paste here. Same for submit. Okay, copy this and paste here. So we have created variables having the same name but different values in French. Save this. So this is the only thing for French. If you want to convert your language, your application language to Japanese, you can make different values folder, same as French. I have created here. Now we will run this application and check whether the language is changing or not. First you will see the English language, as this phone language is set to English. We can see here. First we'll see the language. Okay, you can change your phone language from this settings, systems, change language and input. So here you will see English language as my first priority. So you will see the application in English first. See, this is the application having English names, and now we will change the language to French and let's see whether the language is changing or not. We'll change the language to French. You can set French language as your first priority. This is French France. You can add languages from this plus. Okay, now we'll see the application. This is our application and here it goes. These are the French letters coming. I don't know how it pronounced, but this is your application in French language. So that's it for today, and we have learned how to localize your application, means how to make your application language friendly. Likewise, you can make your application language friendly with different languages, as I have created for French. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.